Imagine a world where robots clean your house, help you get dressed, and even check you into hotels. Welcome to the age of smart robots powered by artificial intelligence. Robots started in factories, lifting heavy loads, welding metal, and assembling cars. But now, thanks to AI, robots can learn, adapt, and interact like never before. Meet the cleaning crew of the future: smart vacuums, mops, and even lawnmowers. AI helps these robots map your home, avoid obstacles, and clean more efficiently over time. From windows to swimming pools, there's a robot for that. In homes, AI-powered robots are becoming personal assistants, especially for the elderly or disabled. They recognize faces, understand voices, and can even respond to emotional cues. From medication reminders to companionship, robots can improve quality of life. Robots are entering the service industry too, greeting guests, checking people in, and guiding travelers. Some restaurants and stores already use robots for delivery, order taking, and product information. Thanks to AI, service bots can speak multiple languages and answer complex questions. They're designed to be approachable, safe, and even fun to talk to. Still, we must consider issues like data privacy, safety, and ethical design. The more you interact with them, the more they learn and personalize their service. Robots are becoming more affordable, bringing smart assistants into more homes every year. Imagine a future with robot tutors, AI chefs, or health monitoring bots in every home. It's not science fiction anymore. The robotics revolution has already begun. Like, subscribe, and join us to explore the AI-powered world of tomorrow today.